So today I'm putting up this board on the side of the car, on the side of the van, so it looks a bit nicer, hides the insulation. And it's as you can see here, that's not a good example, but yeah, everything's a different height. So if you can buy a van that's perfectly square, it'd make life a lot easier, because you could buy them, you could cut them just all the same and just do a whole bunch at once. I've got these little hooks here, so when I push the motorbike in, I haven't got my strap anyway, I've got my strap here, so one end will go permanently in like this, and when I push the bike up, just to hold it where it is so I can run around the front, you got this hook there, and there's the other end will hook on the handlebars, and I'll just hold it there. So I've got one there and one here, and as I said, that's just to hold the bike temporarily so I can race around in this door, grab it from the front and then tie it down, just so it doesn't lean on this or lean on the on this side. However, this one, it's a fucking pain in the ass, because I can't get my hand around the back in order to put this bolt on, because it's like this here. So I've got to reach around the back, and I'm about fucking half a centimetre off getting the bolt on, so it's fucking busting my balls. And I did all this in about, not long. I've been fucking stuck on this one forever because I can't reach it because it's just a little bit too far. I keep dropping the washer. It's fucking busting my balls. Anyway, this is all I've done today. And I'll go to about here, I think, and then wait a bit until the shower comes back, because I may not have to line behind the shower if no one will see it. I don't know, we'll wait and see. Well, I got it. I fucking didn't like it, and the drill slipped off a couple of times and dented the wood here, because I had to take all these panels off in order to come across it from the other side. But once you get them off, they don't go back on the same. I should have never bothered. That's the lesson behind that. So all that was easy, straightforward, and this took fucking ages. Like, I don't know how long. Hours. And it's not, this one's real nice, and this one's, I don't really like it. It's not quite straight. If it comes off, I'm never doing that again. If that comes off or comes loose, well, it can stay as a whole. I'll put some putty in it and paint over it. I don't know what the time is now. I think I've had enough for today. Pain in my ass.